Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through setting up a proxy using the Proxy SwitchySharp extension. Let's get started. Begin by downloading the extension and open it in your browser's extensions panel. Create a new profile by clicking the New Profile button and naming it. Choose your connection protocol from options like HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SOCKS4, and SOCKS5. Enter the proxy IP address and port next to your chosen protocol. Below, there's a space to add a domain to keep your home IP address unchanged. Once you've input the proxy information, save the profile. Move to the Switch Rules section. Here, modify the current rule to select your new proxy profile. After filling in these details, save your changes. To activate the proxy, click on the extension and pick your configured profile. For a free proxy, it will start immediately. If using a private proxy, refresh the page and when prompted, enter the proxy username and password. This changes your IP to the proxy address. And that's it. Your proxy setup is complete. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company, Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell, and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.